Hi, and welcome to today's video where we are diving into the dynamic world of Scrum Master, a pivotal role in Agile project management landscape. But what exactly does a Scrum Master do? Let's find out. Let's jump into the video. So the Scrum Master is the maestro of Agile process, ensuring the team performs harmoniously. Now, making sure they all coordinate and work together. One key responsibility is facilitating the Scrum ceremonies. Now, think of the daily stand-ups as your team's weather forecast, helping you to gauge the project's climate and adjust accordingly. Another vital role is removing obstacles. Picture this: your development team is a group of runners in a relay race and a scrum master. And as a scrum master, you're clearing the track of hurdles to ensure a smooth sprint to the finish line. Supporting the team is also really critical. It's not just about offering help, it's about empowering the team to estimate and manage their workload effectively, fostering a sense of ownership and commitment. So what are the skills that they need? As a scrum master, you need to wear many hats, but the crown jewel is leadership. Especially servant leadership. It's about leading by example and putting the team's need at the forefront. Communication skills are non-negotiable here. You need to be very good. You'll need to be, the mediator, the translator, and sometimes the peacekeeper, ensuring that everyone's voice is heard and understood. As an agile coach, you'll guide your teams through the agile principles, ensuring they're not just followed, but embodied in every task and interaction. And let's not forget about continuous improvement. You're the coach reviewing game tapes, facilitating team retrospectives to find those incremental improvements that lead to significant gains over time. So how do you transition now? For those transitioning from traditional project management to Scrum Master, it's a monumental shift. You're moving from a command and control approach to one of a servant leadership. Instead of directing the play, you're setting the stage for your team to perform the best. So you're not telling people what to do. They are, self-empowered. So the whole shift is very different within embracing agile and its methodology. So you really embrace the scrum master role. In summary, being a scrum master is about more than just managing tasks. It's about fostering an environment where agile thrives through servant leadership, effective communication, and commitment to continuous improvement. You are then also making sure that you are liaising with your product owner, your development team, making sure that communication channels are continuously open. You are ultimately dealing with all the pros and cons of communication, the battles that you need to do, but making sure the team steers and feels that they take ownership of the role rather than you steer and tell people what to do. So as a scrum master, with story, so my question to you is: are you a scrum master with stories to share, or are you looking to step into this role? Drop your experiences and the questions in the comments below, and let's learn from each other around about the agile journey. Up until next time, keep sprinting towards success, and thank you for listening today.